Hallo, meine liebe Studenten und Freunde, wie geht es euch? Herzlich willkommen to the German Mentor. My name is Jatinder Singh and today I'm going to explain you the top 25 German dative verbs. This is very important session. Watch the complete video till end. Give your comments, your feedback after the session, and do not forget to subscribe the channel, put the notifications on, and you will get the regular videos from my side on this channel. So without wasting today's time, let's start the session. Los geht's. Points to remember. So friends, before starting this session, before sharing these verbs, I would like to share some points which you have to keep in mind because there are some rules which we have to follow. So what are those points basically? See, these verbs always take the dative case. You know that dative case is one of the German grammar. So as we are going to learn the German dative verbs, we have to use the dative objects. And for your reference, for your knowledge, I have written here the articles of the dative case. Dem is masculine, der is feminine, dem is neutrum, and den plus n we use for the plural cases, right? And the second point is basically a suggestion for you. Pay attention to the dative, personal pronoun and possessive pronoun in the video because in these 25 random examples I have used some personal pronouns and possessive pronouns of the dative German case, right? So first I'll tell you what are the personal pronouns in dative. So mir, dir, ihm, ihr, uns, euch, ihnen and ihnen. So these are basically the personal pronouns, personal pronoun we use in the dative case. And these are the possessive pronoun. Zum Beispiel mein, dein, sein, ihr, unser, euer and ihr. I have written these points for you because I have used these things in the coming sentences. For your knowledge, you must know, okay? So don't worry, I will explain you all these personal pronouns and possessive pronouns in each and every example. So now let's start all these German verbs one by one. Nummer 1. The first verb is helfen. It means to help. So I will explain you in the question and answer form so that you can understand the concept very easily. Zum Beispiel, kannst du mir heute helfen? Ja, ich kann dir helfen. So friends, this is an informal way. In the answer you can see I have written here dear. So if you want to write in the formal way, the sentence would be ja, ich kann Ihnen helfen. So that depends on you, how you have the relation with some other person with whom you are talking to, with whom you are speaking. So that was the first verb, helfen. Kannst du mir helfen heute? Ja, ich kann dir helfen. Nummer 2, danken. It means to thank. Zum Beispiel, dankt Ihnen Ihr Freund für das Geschenk? Ja, dankt mir sehr herzlich. So friends, in this example, if you want to write in the informal way, the question would be dankt dir dein Freund für das Geschenk. And similarly, the answer will be same. Ja, dankt mir sehr herzlich. So in each example, I am explaining you with both formal and informal way, right? So that was the Nummer 2, danken, which means to thank. Nummer 3, gefallen, it means to like, oder to please. Zum Beispiel, gefällt dir die neue Wohnung? Ja, sie gefällt mir sehr. So in question you can also write in formal way, gefällt Ihnen die neue Wohnung? The answer will be same. Ja, sie gefällt mir sehr. Nummer 4, passen, it means to fit, oder to suit. Zum Beispiel, passt Ihnen die Jacke? Or you can write, passt dir die Jacke? The answer will be nein, sie ist mir zu klein. Okay, so that was about passen verb, which means to fit, oder to suit. You can write both in formal and informal way. Okay, now we see the next one, Nummer 5, schmecken, to taste good. So friends, we use this verb when we talk about for some food. Zum Beispiel, schmeckt Ihnen das Essen? Ja, das schmeckt mir sehr lecker. You can also write, schmeckt dir das Essen in informal way. So that was Nummer 5, schmecken, to taste good. Nummer 6, gratulieren, which means to congratulate. Here comes the example. Haben Sie dir zum Geburtstag gratuliert? Ja, alle haben mir gratuliert. So in this phrase, in this question sentence, I have written the sentence in perfect tense. So you know that while making the sentence in perfect we use one of the helping verb. So here gratulieren is the main verb and the helping verb is haben. The next one, Nummer 7, glauben, which means to believe. Here comes the example. Glaubst du mir? Nein, ich glaube Ihnen nicht. Or you can write Nein, ich glaube dir nicht in informal way. Nummer 8, wehtun, to hurt. This is also very common verb. Zum Beispiel, tut dir dein Arm weh? Ja, mein Arm tut mir weh. Or you can write the question, tut Ihnen Ihr Arm weh? Ja, mein Arm tut mir weh. So that was about wehtun, Nummer 8. Nummer 9, zuhören, which means to listen to. Here comes the example. Hörst du mir zu? Ja, ich höre Ihnen aufmerksam zu. So in answer, you can also write, ja, ich höre dir aufmerksam zu. So that was Nummer 9, zuhören. The next one, Nummer 10, vertrauen, which means to trust. Zum Beispiel, vertrauen Sie Ihrer Lehrerin? Ja, ich vertraue ihr. So in this example, friends, I have used the possessive pronoun. Okay, I did not use here the personal pronoun, but possessive pronoun. You can also make the sentences because, you know, language is just like a feeling. The way you think, the way you write, or the way you use. Okay, so that was about number 10, Nummer 10, vertrauen. Now see the next one, Nummer 11, antworten, which means to answer. Zum Beispiel, antwortest du mir bitte? Ja, ich antworte dir gleich. Or you can write, ja, ich antworte Ihnen gleich. Nummer 12, verzeihen, which means to forgive. Here comes the example. The question is, kannst du mir meinen Fehler verzeihen? Ja, ich verzeihe Ihnen. Oder ich verzeihe dir. That depends on you. Nummer 13, the next one, fehlen, which means to be missing. Here comes the question and answer. Als Beispiel, fehlt dir deine Familie? Ja, sie fehlt mir sehr. Oder Sie können auch schreiben, fehlen Ihnen Ihre Familie? Ja, sie fehlt mir sehr. Nummer 14, gehören, which means to belong to. Zum Beispiel, gehört Ihnen dieses Auto? Or you can use, gehört dir dieses Auto? The answer is nein, es gehört meinem Vater. So in answer, I have used the possessive article. So das war über 14. Jetzt gehen wir weiter. Nummer 15, ähneln. It means to resemble. Ähnelt er seinem Vater? Ja, er ähnelt ihm sehr. Okay, so that was quite easy. Ähneln, which means to resemble. Nummer 16, begegnen, which means to meet. Okay, now see the example. Bist du deiner Lehrerin im Supermarkt begegnet? Ja, ich bin ihr zufällig begegnet. So das war über Nummer 16. Jetzt gehen wir weiter. Nummer 17, drohen, which means to threaten. Zum Beispiel, droht dir dein Chef manchmal? Nein, er droht mir nie. Nummer 18, schaden, which means to harm or to damage. Zum Beispiel, schadet Rauchen der Gesundheit? Ja, Rauchen schadet der Gesundheit sehr. In this example, I have used the noun instead of Personalpronomen or possessive pronomen. Nummer 19, reichen, it means to be enough. Zum Beispiel, reicht dir das Geld für den Urlaub? Nein, es reicht mir nicht. And in the question you can also write in the formal way, reicht Ihnen das Geld für den Urlaub? The answer will be same. Nummer 20, nützen, to be useful. Zum Beispiel, nützt dir dieses Buch für die Prüfung? Ja, es nützt mir sehr. You can also write in Ihnen form. Nützt Ihnen dieses Buch für die Prüfung? The next one, Nummer 21, folgen, which means to follow. Zum Beispiel, folgt dir dein Hund überall? Ja, er folgt mir immer. Or you can write, folgt Ihnen, ihr Hund überall? The answer will be same. The next one, Nummer 22, gleichen, it means to look like. Here comes the example. Dieses Haus gleicht dem alten Haus. Ja, es gleicht ihm. The next one, Nummer 23, misslingen, it means to fail. Zum Beispiel, ist dir das Experiment misslungen? Ja, es ist mir leider misslungen. So this sentence I have made in the perfect tense. So friend, it is possible for you in each and every verb you can make the sentences in presence, in preteritum, in perfect. That depends on you. The next one, Nummer 24, zusagen, it means to promise. Here comes the example. Hat dir die Firma den Job zugesagt? Ja, sie haben mir zugesagt. So in this particular example, I have also used the perfect tense. Now comes to the last verb of the session, friends. Nummer 25, Widersprechen, it means to contradict. Zum Beispiel, widersprichst du deinen Eltern oft? Nein, ich widerspreche ihnen selten. So my dear friend, these are those important German dative verbs of the B1 level. In fact, everyone can learn these verbs, and in each and every example I have used the nouns, the personal pronouns, the possessive pronouns, so that you can understand the concept very easily, friends. Okay, I hope that you have liked this content, this session. Give your comments, your valuable feedback, friends, because this is motivation for me to bring more and more German grammar videos for you on this channel, so that you can also enhance your German grammar very easily. If you still have the problem, do send me your comments, your doubts, and I am always available for you to answer these questions. And in the end of the session, friends, I would like to say thanks for watching the complete video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, recommend with others. My name is Jatinder Singh, and if you are interested to learn the German language, you can contact me through call or send me the messages through WhatsApp. The number is there on the screen. We will meet very soon with another grammar topic. Take care of yourself. Einen schönen Tag noch. Bleiben Sie gesund und glücklich. Lernen Sie Deutsch an die German Mentor. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.